Ocean currents. Ocean currents are a series of linked currents that operate throughout the oceans and transport heat energy. These currents are important in modifying and stabilizing weather in different parts of the world. Ocean currents continuously take out and spread nutrients and chemicals from the oceans. These are beneficial to marine life. There are approximately 50 separate currents in the ocean. Some currents, such as the Gulf Stream, are recorded spanning huge distances in the ocean. The Great Ocean Conveyor is a large-scale movement of seawater that links the surface and deep water currents. A small portion of seawater can take centuries to complete one round around the conveyor. The Great Ocean Conveyor Belt redistributes heat over the Earth's surface. The conveyor carries heat from the tropics and distributes to the North Atlantic. This causes northern Europe to be 9 degrees warmer than it would otherwise be. It also keeps Hawaii, US state, a few degrees cooler. Some scientists fear that global warming can interfere with or shut down the working of the Great Ocean Conveyor. This could lead to much colder climate in northern Europe. The linked circular currents on the ocean surface are called gyres, move clockwise in the northern hemisphere and counterclockwise in the southern hemisphere. These gyres also take and spread all floating materials, including garbage, into the center low-energy areas. These areas have nearly 1 million tons of plastic. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is formed in the North Pacific. The Sargasso Sea in the North Atlantic also has vast quantities of plastic brought by these gyres.